Well, hi everybody, this is Charlene, and I'm here to share a couple of journals that I've made. I haven't made any videos for actually a really long time. COVID was pretty bad in our area, so I just didn't want to go out and about because these will be in my shop. First of all, I made this it's a bill organizer, and it's, let me make sure I'm in frame since I haven't done this for a while. This measures a 9 by 6, and it's made from a file folder, and it's a monthly organizer. I've already written my January bills here, and I've got a little note paper and a little pocket here and a little paper clip with some scratch paper there. So I made this. This is a pocket, and this is a pocket. So every month, sorry, I'm just a little bit nervous. This is made with Tim Holtz cardstock. And this is February, and it actually goes through every single month. And like I said, every one of these is a pocket. So I've been making these and using them for 3 or 4 years now. So anyways, it goes all the way through till December. And then there's, whenever I sell one, I will put a little extra bag of flowers in it. These will be, if you want one of these bill organizers, expense organizers, or just any kind of organizer that you want to use it for, let me know, and I will make sure, if you want one, order one, and I will make one for you. Now, this other one I made is, it measures, I think it measures, it's like almost 5.5 by almost 7.5. And I used a kit from Screech Owl Studios called Clara's Diary. And it's a really beautiful little kit. I just love it. And here's the back. I put corners on it. This will be in my shop in January. I'm on a little vacation right now. And I have some bling here in this little piece of lace. Pardon me. This, like I said, this is a kit from Screech Owl Studio, but the journal is actually completely inspired by Mary Ann Fallows. She has an Etsy shop, and she has it's like porchswingdesigns.net, I think, and that's where she sells her journals, which are beautiful. And then Porch Swing Designs Etsy is her digitals. So anyways, this is pretty much all from the Screech Owl Studios and a little bit from Mary Lou. So it says this journal belongs to, and I have a little pocket here. And like I said, this is inspired by Mary Lou. Thank you, Mary Lou, for helping me. And I have 2 little tucks there. This is a glassine bag that I have a postcard and a, I guess that's glued on. Oh, I knew there's another card in there. I knew there was another card in there. So that goes there, and this goes here. And then I have another card here. Right now, I can't remember where I got this one. But if you want to know, just send me a message. I'll just mention it, and I'll find it. So I did some punching on the edges, and I have a belly band here. Here it is, Clara's Diary, and an envelope with some journal paper from the kit. Pretty much everything in here is coffee dyed, and there's a couple of pretty little journal cards to go with it. And I have some pretty little like daisy lace here, and a doily, and another little envelope here, and a little journal card. Isn't that cute? I like little ones. They're so cute. And I have a big paper clip for that. And then I have just a tag right here. That side's got pretty. Oh, and there's lined paper in it. Here's a bag with the design from the kit, and I put some pretty pink rosebuds and some lace, and there's various journal cards and tags in here because I had some extras. Look at that postcard. Isn't that pretty with the little pink roses on it? This is really a beautiful kit. And here I have a little tuck spot with a couple of journal cards and some patterned, did some of the digital paper and some lace and some lines. This is an over the corner tuck spot that I made this, and it slides. Well, this is glued on, but it can, when I make them, you can slide them on and off. And there's some journal paper that's, lined, and then a journal card. This is plain coffee dyed paper. And here's the other side of that over the corner tuck with a journal card and another envelope with a little lined paper inside. It's cardstock paper. So here's some more from the kit, lined, and here's a belly band and some paper, journal paper. This is a good size. It fits in your hand really nice. Here's 2 pockets that I made like Mary Lou's, and I have a journal card here and a journal card here. And there's some pretty bling and some little lace. I have some music paper. This is a little side tuck right here with a couple of journal cards. And then it's an envelope that you can put things in on this side. And this green, these green leaves are from Hobby Lobby. So here's some more pretty paper that's lined on this side, and this tracing paper that you can write on that. Anna doily, and we have some pretty lace on, isn't that pretty, these bows? And then I have a side corner pocket. Oh, these are from Mary Lou's digitals. Aren't they pretty? They went real well with this journal. And then another one of Claire's diary. Some graph paper and some printed paper. Some lined paper that I punch the corners. I like to put some this way because I like to turn the journal and actually write. I write in all of my journals, and so I always put some lines horizontal and some vertical. Oh, and I forgot to say that there's lace on the bottom and both sides. There's a little tuck spot right here that I should probably put something in. And I will put little hearts on the ends of these strings. And so here's a little tuck spot in here. Another paper clip with the pretty sari silk, seam binding. Here's the other side. So this is the middle, and here's another side of the lined paper and a top tuck. Let's just do this right now. There, done. And it says family, and here's a couple of journal cards. Some graph paper with a little paper in it. Here's some more of that pretty bow lace with some lined paper. Tracing, doily and tracing paper. And I glued this on here. So pretty. Here's the other side of the envelope. I put a little flower there. And the other side of the music paper, and there's another little tuck spot. And it's a postcard on this side, and then over here it's a tuck spot with some journal cards in it. Some lined paper journal card and another one. Here's a real pretty lacy belly band with a journal card that I made that says Admit One. This also is at Hobby Lobby. And a little tuck spot right there. I think this is from Carrie the Crafter. And I have a pocket here with a tag that says Love. And I put some lace on here. Oh, it's an envelope. I'm trying to open that up. And it has a journal card in it. And then another pocket here. No, this is a library pocket. And here's the library card. And then a pretty pink journal card and a tag and a journal card. And then I have some really pretty, I don't know what color that is, taupey fawn, fawn colored leaves. And the other side of the envelope with more goodies in it. And then this is some paper. And then I have a weekly time record with a little notebook in the middle. Isn't that cute? And then I have a pocket here with a couple of tags with pink seam binding. This is a really pretty color, pink. And then here's the end with a little tuck spot and some journal paper with lines on it. Isn't that pretty? And I did lace in here and then a journal, an envelope with some more lined paper in it. So there it is, and then here's the back. So this is my Clara's Diary from Screech Owl Studios and inspired by Mary Lou. So thank you so much for watching, and if you're interested in one of these, just let me know because I have plenty of Tim Holtz paper. So anyways, take care, and I will see you probably in January. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.